Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. Welcome to Guarantee RV. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho, so when you call in, ask for Coach, that will get you to me. My number is 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2020 Newmar Ventana 4037. What an awesome coach. Let's go inside and take a look around. I'm going to start back here in the bathroom. First thing I want to show you is this emergency escape door with a built-in ladder. Great idea. Nobody's going out head first out of a window. If you ever do have an emergency, built-in ladder down below, this swings right out. Over here, if you want a washer and dryer, washer and dryer goes in right in here, stacker, not an all-in-one. We've got more leaves for the table that I'll show you in a little bit. Okay, big vanity, lots of storage space. Over here we've got a built-in safe in this closet. We have our shower here with a fold-down seat. We have our privacy door right here for the bathroom area. King-size bed in this coach. Windows on both sides for great air movement at night. All ducted to the ceiling. This is a Newmar, awesome coach, built so well. Great insulation. Closet across here, drawers underneath, another closet. Here's your TV. Okay, this coach, here's your other privacy door. Here we have a half bath. Always nice. Here's our residential refrigerator. Look at this, right here. Slide drawers, great for storing all your canned goods. Across from the dinette, we've got our slide tray here above the sink. More storage all around. Big deep stainless steel sink, 2 sinks. Right here, cutting board on the back side. Induction cooktop that can be unplugged and taken outside and plugged in there, used outside if you don't want to cook inside your coach. Big storage area underneath with garbage can, all these drawers here. Slide drawer right here. Plenty of storage in this coach. Across from the kitchen, here's our dinette. Look at the size of that table, nice and wide. Put a couple leaves in there. There's 2 more chairs underneath the bed. Pads on the back so you can sit with your back against that pad with legs out. Storage underneath here. Great dinette, storage underneath. Okay, theater seating, recliners in this coach. Cup holders. Storage right here for magazines or whatever. Across over here we have our televator, pops up. When you want a window, it goes down. Okay, you've got you got this couch over here, which is a jackknife. You've got, moving up into the cockpit, of course you got levelers and all that good stuff, but all the controls for the dash are right here now on these paddles down below the steering wheel. That's adjustable, of course, in and out and up and down. You no more reaching toward the dash. Got a spot to charge your phone. Tile floors in this coach, 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, built by Newmar. This is an awesome coach. Come and take a look at it. Drive it. Comfort drive, electronically assisted steering. It's amazing. Corian entryway. Great paint. Window awnings, frameless windows, TV outside. Big storage compartment right here. Now, slide tray goes out both ways, easy loading. Big wide half tray on this side. Makes life so easy. Pegboard, there's a big tank back there, a big water tank. This is your emergency escape door right here. Batteries, chassis batteries. Moving to the back of the coach. Backup camera up above. What's this camera? This camera there's 4 of those around this coach for security. You can look on a monitor inside if you hear something go bump in the night and see what's outside without having to leave the coach. Storage here. More storage there. There's your DEF fluid, easy access. Moving down the line here. Water hose on a reel. All your filter, sewage rinse, outdoor shower. You tuck that hose back in there. There we go. .50 amp cord on a reel. That is worth its weight in gold. Oasis heat system, unlimited hot water, nice even heat. That's if you're all hooked up. There's your slide tray. All electric coach, so we need some batteries. There's 8 batteries right there. Easy access on a slide tray. Moving forward, there's all your fuses, easy access there. Folks, if you have any questions about this 40-foot Ventana, please give me a call. Call and ask for Coach at Guarantee RV. That'll get you to me, 208-250-8625. Have a great day.